Max. Sue, we have a bit of a problem.
What is it?
We were having a little too much fun on this hoverboard. Now we used up most of our fuel. I'm not sure if we have enough to get back to mission control.
Okay, solve for how much fuel we have left. If we don't have enough fuel, I'll contact mission control.
Okay, Mathstronauts. Let's figure out this fuel situation. When we left mission control, our ship held 36 full tanks of fuel. Between the fuel we used to get here and the rest we used to ride our hoverboard, we used up a total of 27 fuel tanks. We'll need to subtract the empty fuel tanks from the full fuel tanks to find our total. Let's bring up our place value columns and separate these numbers by tens and ones. Let's start by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. So we can't subtract 7 ones from 6 ones. The top number needs to be greater than the bottom number. What should we do here? I'd say we regroup. What I like to do is borrow 10 from the tens place and add that 10 to my 6. By borrowing 10 from the tens column and adding it to the ones column, we now have 2 tens and 16 ones. We can now subtract the numbers in the ones column since the top number is greater than the bottom number. I know you Mathstronauts know the answer to this. What's 16 minus 7? That's right, 9. Now, let's subtract our numbers in the tens column. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We have a total of 9 fuel tanks left. Mission Control is not going to be happy about this.
We only have 9 tanks.
Yup, 9.
Mission Control, do you copy?
This is Mission Control. What's your status?
We don't have enough fuel to get back. Can you send help?
Sounds like they were riding the hoverboard again. Yes they were.